Hello, welcome. Today we are working on a song that is in a different time signature. And what I mean by time signature, I'm talking about the beats and the feel. So most, if not almost, probably 99% of rock songs and ballads that we play are in 4. That's why I count 1, 2, ready, go. Really all I'm saying is 1, 2, 3, 4. But Piano Man is one of those songs that's in 3. So our strum and our thought process has to be different. So I wanted to teach you that today. Just in case you come across another song that's in 3, then you know how to strum it. Okay, this song is in a feel of 3. So I want you to say 1, 2, 3 with me in time. So say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this time I want you to make 1 sound heavy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if we look at the intro, we have a bunch of chords, and you know all of these chords. Let's do a simplified D7 just so that we can switch to it in time. So I want you to switch on beat 1. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is feeling totally different, and that is partially because we're not taught to sing and play and experience music in 3s, which is a shame because it has a really cool feel. But here we are challenging ourselves with a 3. So let me play for you the intro. You can play along on the second round, and you have 2 options. You can just do 1 strum. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or if you're an overachiever, you can get 3 strums. And the trick to being able to land these and not kind of run out of time or space is to stay close. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm not going all the way up here on my strum. I'm staying really close so that I can switch in time. I'm barely even moving. Okay, I'm gonna play the intro for you and then we'll do it together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you're a fingerstyle person, you can also try this pattern. We're not going to use the thumb, just index and then middle and ring at the same time. So it'll sound like this. So that's kind of a fun pattern that you can do if you would like to change things up. Okay, now let's try the intro together. I will slow it way down because this is a crazy song. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pause. The trick here is to look ahead 1 chord, so don't just think about the one that you're doing. Let's jump to the verse, and each one is getting 3 beats, so you can follow the same pattern. Again, you can strum just on beat 1 if that makes it easier for you. Here we go. Verse 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 9 o'clock on a Saturday. That is really fun, right? Okay, let me skip down to the next part. Okay, watch me play the interlude first, and then we will do it together. La, 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 da, di, da. La, la, da, di, da. So A minors and D7s get 6 beats each on this one. And then we go back to the regular pattern. So let's do it together. Here we go. You can do it. Again, you can strum only on one if that's easier for you. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. La, 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 da, dee, da. A minor. La, la, D7. G. And then we go back to the normal pattern for the chorus. I will play it. If you're ready, play it with me. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. But we're all in the mood for a melody. And you got us feeling alright. Everything else in this song repeats. So my advice to you is that you just learn one thing at a time for one day and have fun with it. And if you don't have any interest in learning this song, that's okay. Then just practice switching on 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Because it trains your mind to think about music a little bit differently. And again, you can do the fingerstyle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I'm actually putting my thumb here on this string for leverage. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's actually a really cool skill to gain too. Your homework for today is to listen to this song. Listen to it maybe 4 or 5 times. And then you try to play one part of the song slowly. The goal here isn't to learn the whole song. I just want you to experience playing something in 3. I also wanted to use something straight out of the Guitar Tabs website so that you can see that you really can apply a guitar website to the ukulele. And this goes along with making you a more independent player, which has been the goal of this challenge all along. Alrighty, have fun with this one, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Sayonara!